Electric pressure washer, right? A 40 volt 70 psi. You could add soap in there, you could extend or make it shorter. You got six different style pattern of the hose right here at the end. The hose is about 20 feet in length. So right here we got a filter. You could either put it in a bucket of water, barrel water, or you could lose this out and you could connect it directly to the hose. We're gonna drop it in our bucket of water before I do the hose. You could do patio, concrete, house, car, anything you want. Just charge the battery. It charges really fast. Within 2-3 hours the battery's charged. All right, so we got it right here. It's lightweight, it's good. And so we could do car, you could do your boat, back patio. Look at the pressure in this. It's definitely good for lightweight work. The 70 psi, which is not bad. Electric. You could swap this here. You just turn it. See that? More. Whoa, look at that pressure in this one. This one I wouldn't advise to put in your car, because that one looks, I wouldn't advise this one to put in your car. It's powerful. We got 20 degree would be pretty cool. Look at that. So it's more affordable than regular pressure washer. You can see you put the soap inside, so it'll soap this up within minutes. And as we're going, it takes in for water from there, and with the filter, no kind of debris or anything will go inside. I'll show you the pressure. And then we got more right here. We got 40, and we got the foam option. If you have any foam, like soap will go in right there. Big F-350 truck like this or big boat, you need something like this. You cannot use a regular hose and a wash in this truck. You got to use something like this. Cordless, wireless, washing within minutes. Check in the description box. Check in the description box for price and detail, and get your hand on something that makes sense, works good. Good price. And then look, you got your fence. My fence got a lot of holes. Wash your fence, man. Save money. In one hand, using and spraying, wireless. I mean, there's no wire. Don't need to plug in with the battery. Battery charges fast. It does pretty good. After you finish using it, leave the battery to cool down about 60 minutes before plugging in to charge. Make sure fully charge every time you use it. Check in a link in the description below to price and detail. And this is a good company. It's a good tool so far. Thumbs up. There's nothing more I could say. There's no negative or downfall about it.